students, we are going to discuss various launch vehicles today and how the satellite is launched in circular orbits around the earth and all that. One point let me clear. I had given you that diagram to draw as a homework. It will come in the exam, students, either as marking or to draw. It's a very important diagram from examination point of view, board exam point of view. Different launch vehicles are used to launch a satellite in specific orbits around the earth. Point number 1. The shape and size of the launch vehicle depends on the weight of the satellite and the orbit in which the satellite is launched. Second point. Third point is that, students, the major part of a launch vehicle is the fuel. Fourth point. A special kind of fuel, generally it is called as white petrol, which is not mentioned in the textbook, but generally the fuel used is white petrol, extremely costly and pollution free. Students, त्याचा धूर भीर येत नाही, अशी विरघळत जाते ते जे फ्युएल वापरलं जातं ना, जसं आपण पेट्रोल किंवा केरोसिन व्हॉटएव्हर वी यूज, इट एमिट्स अ लॉट ऑफ स्मोक, बट these launch vehicles, whatever fuel is used there, that fuel does not emit any kind of smoke and all that. It only goes on vaporizing. Okay, one thing. The fuel used is what you can say, the major part of the launch vehicle is the fuel. Next point. The fuel used is extremely costly and it forms the major part of the launch vehicle. लॉन्च व्हेकलमध्ये 80% ही फ्युएल टँक असते आणि फक्त 20% जागा ही सॅटेलाइटला असते. म्हणजे सॅटेलाइट रॉकेटच्या टिपला इन्स्टॉल्ड असते आणि ही जी पूर्ण बॉडी आहे ही सगळं फ्युएल टँक, फ्युएल मीन्स फ्युएल टँक. व्हॉट इज डन विथ द हेल्प ऑफ रिमोट कंट्रोल सिस्टम. ते जाऊन काडेपेटी लावत नाहीत सायंटिस्ट तिकडं, कळतंय? करतात काय, they sit in their rooms, in that particular scientific rooms, and with the help of remote control system the launch vehicle is ignited. You know, the fuel starts burning. Once the fuel starts burning, it produces a large amount of heat energy. That heat energy is liberated from the rear end. Rear end म्हणजे एका टोकाचा, बघ तो बॉटम असेल किंवा टॉप असेल. From the rear end, the exhaust, the fuel which produces tremendous amount of heat energy, that heat energy is liberated from this rear end. And as the satellite propagates in the vertically upward direction, students, the fuel goes on burning, it becomes volatile and vanishes. Is it okay? Hence, what is done? Generally what happens is, since the major component, the major part occupied by a launch vehicle is fuel tank and minimum part occupied is a satellite, therefore the launch vehicle has two sections which is called as multi-stage. So initially on the ground, with the help of remote control, first stage ignite करायचा, first stage पेटवायचा फक्त, it is ignited. Once it is ignited, the burning of the fuel produces tremendous amount of heat energy. That heat energy comes out of the rear end. By Newton's third law of motion, for every action there is equal and opposite reaction. The force with which the exhaust gases or the heat energy comes out of the rear from the rear end, with the same force the satellite propels in the vertically upward direction. Slowly, when the satellite moves in the vertically upward direction, the fuel burns, it completely, this fuel tank vanishes. Then that fuel tank, with the help of, once the satellite reaches a certain height means few thousand kilometers, what happens? The first stage completely burns off. Okay, so again with the help of remote control system, फर्स्ट स्टेज इज डिटॅच्ड. आपण म्हणतो ना, आपण कपडे गाठ बांधलेली कपड्यांना कशी सोडतो बघ, तशी द फर्स्ट स्टेज पूर्णपणे असं डिटॅच केला जातो. नाउ ड्यू टू विच द वेट ऑफ द लॉन्च व्हेकल डिक्रीजेस, The weight of the launch vehicle decreases because only one fuel tank is remaining. It was a multiple tank. First stage is burnt off already. Now partly only fuel tank remains. Due to this partly fuel tank available, the weight of the launch vehicle decreases and the satellite further propels with a higher velocity. As the weight becomes lesser, the satellite further propels with a higher velocity. Students, असं आहे ते, तुम्ही गाडी चालवताना डबल सीट बसला ना की थोडी स्पीडवर तुमच्या कंट्रोल येतो. तेच जर तुमचे मागे तुमचे फ्रेंड्स नसतील, मदर फादर कोणी नसतील, तुम्ही एकटे असाल तर बिनधास्त गाडी चालवता. सेम थिंग हिअर. वेट कमी झाला, आता हा स्टेज, द सेकंड स्टेज इज इग्नाइटेड, रिमोट कंट्रोल सिस्टम, अँड देन again the burning of the second stage produces a large amount of energy, due to which the satellite moves higher and higher with greater and greater velocity, and that is how the second stage is also detached. After some time what happens, second stage also gets detached, and once it gets detached बचा क्या, सॅटेलाइट. तोपर्यंत ऑर्बिट आलं, सॅटेलाइटला त्या ऑर्बिटमध्ये बसवलं जातं, मग सॅटेलाइटचं काम चालू झालं. स्टुडंट्स, बेस्ट थिंग इट इज ॲक्च्युली इट्स अ the way I teach or the way it is given in the textbook, it's very easy. Actually, practically speaking, it is the lifetime achievement of a scientist. Students, I told you other day also, it's a very difficult process to launch a satellite, to send a satellite and all. What happens is, launch vehicles like the PSLV, Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle, is given in your textbook. Okay? It's the picture of that launch vehicle is given in the picture of the launch vehicle is given in the textbook. Is it okay? One thing. The second thing is, you know, the vehicles, the launch vehicles used are very costly, and therefore every time you can't spend money to buy a launch vehicle. So USA, what they do, they have prepared a special space shuttle, which only propels the satellite and the fuel tank burns off. ती परत व्हेकल वापस येते. तेवढी सिस्टम तयार केली आहे की ती व्हेकल रिटर्न येते. सॅटेलाइट वन्स इट रीचेस द ऑर्बिट, वन्स द फ्युएल टँक completely gets ignited, only the launch vehicle comes down, so that it can be further used for the launching of the second satellite and all that. That is how the functioning of the launch satellite. The diagram is important. Let me repeat it again. Point number 1, we'll start. I'll revise it again, students. तुम्हाला पटकन ग्रास्प होणे. A launch vehicle is used for the propagation of a satellite into space. Point number 2, launch, the size and the shape of the launch vehicle depends on the weight of the satellite and the type of orbit in which the satellite is propelled or placed. Point number 3, fuel forms the major component of the launch vehicle. In a launch vehicle, 80% space or the area is occupied only by the fuel. Only 20% area is occupied by the satellite, due to which the weight of the launch vehicle becomes extremely heavy. Therefore, instead of one single stage, multiple stages are used. Why? Because it helps to decrease the weight of the launch vehicle. First, on the ground, once the satellite is installed at the top, on the ground, first stage of the satellite is burnt, ignited with the help of remote control system. Burning of the first stage produces a large amount of heat energy and a very high temperature, due to which burning of fuel produces exhaust gases. These exhaust gases are liberated from the rear end. This is called as rear end, म्हणजे एका टोकाचा end. These exhaust gases are liberated with extremely high force. For every action, there is equal and opposite reaction. Satellite starts propelling in the vertically upward direction. As the satellite moves further and further, the fuel starts burning. The size of the fuel tank goes on decreasing. As the satellite reaches a certain height, the first stage is completely detached, completely burnt off. It is detached. गाठ बांधतो सोडतो कसं तसं डिटॅच केलं जातं, सायंटिस्ट करतात ते. अँड द फर्स्ट इज डिटॅच्ड पार्ट. तुम्ही म्हणाल आमच्या डोक्यावर पडेल तर आम्ही का श्रीहरिकोटामध्ये राहत नाही, पण चुकून पडलं तर ते किती टेक्निकली असतं. समजा फर्स्ट स्टेज इज बर्न्ट ऑफ, तो फर्स्ट स्टेज इज डिटॅच म्हणून थोडा तुकडा राहिला, तो तुकडा तो कुठं पाठवला जातो, एक तरी अनपॉप्युलेटेड एरिया लाईक some barren land or some useless land which is not worth agriculture or forest and all that. म्हणजे जिथे ह्युमन बीइंग्स जाऊ शकत नाही अशा एरियाजमध्ये त्याचं विसर्जन केलं जातं. ठीक आहे ना. देन सेकंड स्टेज इज इग्नाइटेड. नाव द weight of the launch vehicle also decreases. It becomes lesser and lesser. Therefore, satellite, as the second stage is ignited, satellite moves with a higher speed, moves higher and higher, and then even after some interval of time, the second stage is also detached. Remains is only the satellite. Okay. The point here is the cost of the such launch vehicles used in India. One such launch vehicle is given in the textbook, which is the PSLV, Polar Satellite Launch Vehicles. The making of the launch vehicles as well as the rate of the launch vehicles is very costly. Hence, USA, what it has done, it has prepared such a space shuttles such that only the satellite is launched, the fuel tank is burnt off, the vehicle comes down, so that launch vehicle can be used for propulsion of other satellites. That is the thing here. Students, तुम्ही रॉकेट कसं लावता बघितलं ना, बाटलीत धूर बनला जातो, ते धूरमुळे ती रॉकेट वरती जातं. तीच टेक्निक इकडे वापरली जाते. तर रॉकेट नाही आहे याची. दिस रॉकेट इज, you can't imagine, students, it's a very difficult thing. If you have interest, you can develop careers in this, because we require good scientists in the country today. We can't depend on any other countries or any other, we need not go to any other countries. Our ISRO is the best, students. तुम्हाला कळेल, मी थोडं थोडं शिकवत जाईल तेव्हा. That is the thing. Next is what about this is how the satellite is launched in the orbit around the earth. You know, various other satellites are sent into space. These satellites have nothing to do with the earth's orbit. They are sent into the space beyond the earth's orbit, beyond the solar system, or we'll put it, not solar system, beyond the earth's orbit. Maybe they may be sent on moon, they may be sent on Mars. आतापर्यंत तेवढं सक्सेसफुल झालोय आपण, त्या पुढे गाडीच गेली नाही. तुम्हाला इंटरेस्ट असेल तर तुम्ही ज्युपिटरवर पाठवून बघा, कळते. बिकॉज आफ्टर मार्स चा नंबर लागतो ज्युपिटर, पण आतापर्यंत सायंटिस्ट तितके सक्सेसफुल नाही झाले. दे कुड रीच टू मून, दॅट इज द सॅटेलाइट ऑफ द अर्थ, अँड दे कुड रीच Mars, where Mangalyaan was launched by India. Students, you should be very proud of that. ते सांगेन नंतर. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, black holes, J holes, O holes, and all that. What I'm saying, that is not been the telescopes and all have not reached there. So if you are interested, you can send. तुमची एक लॉन्च व्हेकल तयार करा आणि पाठवा पाहिजे तर. यु नो, खूप आहे. म्हणजे सांगायचं पॉईंट काय येतो टीचरना, की देर इज सो मच टू डू स्टिल. Okay, everything hasn't been invented yet. There are so many things yet to be discovered regarding space. बाकी सगळ्यामध्ये डिस्कवरी बऱ्यापैकी झालेली आहे. Next, now let me tell you here. You know, this whatever diagram is given, that is for the satellite to be launched in the Earth's orbit. But if you want to send a satellite beyond the Earth's orbit, if you want to launch the satellite beyond the Earth's orbit, we have to send them into space. For that, first of all, the satellite should be able to overcome the Earth's gravitational pull. कारण ह्या Earth's gravitational pull मुळेच ही satellite फिरते. But if you don't want to launch a satellite in the Earth's orbit, but take it beyond the Earth's orbit, it has to first of all overcome the Earth's gravitational pull, and that is, therefore the satellite should be launched with a typical velocity, which is called as escape velocity. The formula for escape velocity is given by under root 2gm upon r. आता पुरता हा फॉर्म्युला फक्त लक्षात ठेवा. What is g? G is a constant whose value is 6.67 10 raised to minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. M is the Earth's mass and r is the Earth's radius. If you substitute all of them, the value of escape velocity comes out to be 11.2 kilometers per second. So, if you want to launch a satellite into space beyond the Earth's orbit, the satellite should be propelled with this velocity, that is 11.2 kilometers per second. जरा इकडची तिकडे झाली ना, अर्थ तोडून घेते त्याला, गया फिर विसर्जन करो बैठ के. कळतं? इट्स अ व्हेरी डिफिकल्ट टास्क स्टुडंट्स. टू इम्पार्ट दिस वेलॉसिटी टू द सॅटेलाइट इट्स एक्स्ट्रीमली डिफिकल्ट. आर यू ओके? वन थिंग. नेक्स्ट थिंग इज लाइट कॅन रीच द मून इन 1 सेकंड. म्हणजे इफ वी गिव्ह a velocity to our body as equal to the velocity of light, we can reach the moon in 1 second. But it's not possible. Now you may ask me, teacher, का आम्ही सर्वाइव्ह होणार नाही म्हणून एवढ्या हाय स्पीडला जर आमच्या बॉडीला प्रोपेल केलं गेलं तर? Then what is the other choice? So various space shuttles have been sent to the moon, and these space shuttles travel once minimum time required is 8 hours 36 minutes. That is the only thing here. कळतंय? This is what I would like to tell you. रोजचे रोज लेसन्स वाचत चला. I am coming to the end of this topic also now. I will start with the next topic, that is animal classification. Students, खूप इझी आहे तो. इझी म्हणजे बाहेटिंग खूप आहे त्याच्यात. One more point, every day I will be giving you a diagram. When I start with the animal classification topic, every day I will be giving you a diagram for homework. You have to practice it. Okay? As you have been doing, majority of the students have done homework. 4-5 मुलं असतात तर दरवर्षी टीचरच्या ग्रहाला पाहिजेत कोणतरी असं. पण मेजॉरिटी ऑफ, आय एम हॅपी दॅट मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द स्टुडंट्स आर डुईंग समथिंग. सो वेन आय स्टार्ट विथ दॅट टॉपिक, आय टेक अप मोर डायग्राम्स. आय गिव्ह यू मोर डायग्राम्स टू प्रॅक्टिस ॲट होम, बिकॉज तो टॉपिकच तसा आहे. ठीक आहे? बाय फॉर टुडे. बाय.